Let's go back to the breaking economic news we had this morning. The inflation rate in this country with another record high. The numbers for January just came out today from Statistics Canada. The figure even higher than economists were expecting. So Kristalee Ramlakan is with us live in Ottawa. And Kristalee, let's talk about this. The number, everyone is feeling it, just how much we're paying for things, more things, housing and gas and food and the whole bit. How much exactly are prices increasing?
Heather, Canada's inflation rate hit 5.1% in January, and that's the highest level since 1991. Statistics Canada says that it's due to a higher cost for shelter, food and energy, like you just mentioned, and that's because pandemic-related challenges continue to weigh on supply chains and energy prices remain elevated. Shelter costs rose at the fastest pace since 1990, and grocery bills continue to rise at the fastest pace since 2009. Prices for beef, chicken and fish all rose last month. Margarine, spices and vinegars were also up compared to a year ago. And that's because of higher shipping costs and ongoing supply chain disruptions, along with unfavorable growing conditions, which have led to higher prices for fresh fruit and bakery products. And consumers also paid more for alcoholic beverages. Much of the increase stemmed from higher prices for both beer and wine and material shortages and increased shipping costs. And as we've mentioned, gas prices remain high amid concerns over global supply issues and also in response to some international political events. And we also spoke to one business in Montreal who says it's just trying to deal with these increases in costs right now.
We are trying to, adapt to what's happening right now. We have to incur the cost of the shipping cost. And now with the retail cost that we have to sell it now, we're going to have to make it higher so that way we can get the cost of the shipping that we're getting, we are being charged. So that is hurting us a little bit.
So what are economists saying about this increase?
Yeah, Heather, so an economist that we spoke to says increasing grocery bills is likely a trend that will continue into this month with protests blocking those key trade arteries. And also we said with energy prices increasing, inflation likely won't slow down until before April. And economists have been predicting this increase in inflation to be high, but it was even higher than ever predicted. Heather?
Kristalee, thank you very much. Kristalee Ramlakan from Ottawa this morning.